We are going to see the top operating systems. First, an operating system is required to run our computer at our convenience. There are many operating systems that make this possible, but it is necessary to choose the best operating system that suits our own needs and comfort. If we look for personal use like gaming and browsing, then we can say Windows is perfect. If we have an Apple device, then there will be no other option than using the Mac OS. For business, there is an option of using a Linux and Unix based OS. The best we can say the best OS must be capable of performing three tasks, that is running critical computing applications. That is critical computing application means we can say where in the applications where the failure of a single task may lead to a huge loss. Such type of applications OS must be capable of running, and then manage device software and hardware, and then connecting with the CPU for memory and storage allocation. In this video, we are going to see the top 5 operating systems. First is the Windows, which is the most popular familiar operating system because it is user friendly and it is fast and have more options of security to keep our data safe. We can see some of the features of Windows. It has a robust user interface which helps in easier navigation. We know that it has a start menu on the left side listing out options of representing applications. A task view feature lets the user switch between multiple workspaces at the same time by displaying all the open windows. And then two separate user interfaces, we can say one is for mouse and keyboard, and then a tablet mode which is designed for touch screen devices. Then multi-factor authentication technology for higher security like PIN, this personal using the personal identification number and fingerprint recognition, etc. Automatically, it compresses the system files to reduce the storage area. Storage space required. Next, we move to the operating system named Ubuntu, which ranks second. That is, it is an Linux-based operating system. We can think what is a Linux operating system. We can say Linux is an open source operating system, where Ubuntu is a modern version of Linux operating system that comes with everything that you are looking for in an operating system. It is perfect for organization, school, and home use. Features of Ubuntu are: it is an open source software which allows it to be freely downloaded, used, and shared by its users. It comes with a built-in firewall and virus protection software to make it secure. Ubuntu is fully translated in 50 different languages to make it user-friendly. Then it works and is compatible with all the laptop devices like laptops, desktops, and touchscreen devices. The next operating system is the Mac OS. We can say it is the staple or it is the basic of OS of all the Apple devices, as you can remember. The recent years, it has been completely free with the occasional free upgrade by its developers. For Apple users, we can say there is no option except the Mac OS. Some of the features of Mac OS are it comes with a new dark mode which gives your desktop interface with a more dramatic look, which is easier on the eyes. Then it is a dynamic desktop which helps to automatically organize the desktop files by kind, date, or tag. A continuity camera, which scans or photographs a document nearby your iPhone and automatically appears on your Mac. Then new iTunes that allows the users to search for new songs with few lyrics. These are some of the features of the Mac operating system. Next, we move to the operating system named Fedora, which is also a Linux-based operating system that gives Ubuntu's open source features for money. It is also a reliable, user-friendly, powerful operating system for any laptop or desktop. It is the operating system for casual users, students, hobbyists, and professionals working in corporate environments. Some of the features of Fedora are it has a sleek new user interface that allows developers to focus on their code on GNOME environment. That is, it is a graphical user interface which makes the environment look like Windows, which is highly user friendly. Then it offers a complete open source toolbox with languages, tools, and other utilities. Allows for powerful virtualization tools to get the virtual machines up and running always. Next, we move to the operating system named Solaris, which is a Unix-based operating system, where Unix is also an operating system and was originally developed by Sun Microsystems in the mid-90s. It is known for its scalability in the sense that it works for increased load, we can say, and several other features like dtrace, that is dynamic trace, which is used for troubleshooting problems in the applications, and time slider, we can view where the view the data, how the data changes with time. These are some of the known features of Solaris. And some other features are it provides the most advanced security features in the world, such as process and user rights management, thereby allowing to secure mission critical data. This offers indisputable performance advantages for web database and Java-based services, delivers high performance and networking without any modification, and then unlimited capacity for helping managing file system and databases, and it allows interoperability for solving hundreds of software and hardware problems.